How to use color psychology on your website to make people more attracted to your crypto brand. When you start designing your crypto brand identity, one of the first questions that you will get from designers is, what colors do you prefer? This seems like a simple question that is related to your preferences, but that's not true. The answer to this question is really important and can affect your crypto marketing and brand in a very serious way. The reason behind this is hidden in color psychology. Before we talk more about it, I just want you to know that no matter if you believe it or not, it has been proven that colors have a very deep effect on us and on our decisions. People decide whether or not they like a product in 90 seconds or less, and that 90% of that decision is based solely on color. That's why picking the right crypto brand colors right from the beginning is a wise move. Otherwise, you may need to rebrand your website later on, which may be costly and time-consuming. What's color psychology? It is the science that studies how colors affect human behavior and decisions. Thanks to it, for example, we may explain why different colors evoke different emotions in us. But more importantly, color psychology gives us the directions that we need when we pick our crypto branding colors, so we can have more effective marketing. This is hugely important because it can help us to make our website to convert more. Why color is important for your crypto brand. You can use its findings to present your crypto brand values directly to your potential investors' subconscious mind. When businesses successfully do this, customers sometimes have a hard time explaining why they feel attracted to them. There are potentially many reasons for that, but one of them is that brand colors resonate with their personality. So what else you can achieve when you properly pick your crypto website colors? Number 1. Higher conversion rate. Choosing the right colors for the elements that have a higher effect on visitors to take action together with creating a great first impression can drastically change positively your conversion rate. For example, changing the color of your call to action button can have a huge impact on your numbers. Number 2. Better bounce rate and higher retention. Colors affect us in different ways. Some help us feel better, some make us feel safe, some repel us, and so on. This means that if you pick the right color psychology scheme, you can keep your visitors more time on your website, which automatically increases your chance to convert them into investors, community members, or whatever your goal is. Number 3. What do you stand for? Using the right colors can help you to emphasize what your crypto brand is all about. This will help potential investors to have a better understanding of your blockchain solution and its benefits. And we know that clarity is really important when we want investors. Number 4. Trust and credibility. Picking the right color psychology scheme is important for the first impression, but for building trust and credibility too. Having too many colors or colors that don't make sense together can immediately push away visitors. That's not all. Together with that, people won't realize why, but they will just don't want to trust you, because the colors that you have chosen tell them that you are not trustworthy. These are just part of the benefits, but I am sure that you got the point. So let's proceed. How you can use color psychology to your advantage when you are creating your crypto website. The first and very important thing is to know that you are not your customers. It is a very common mistake to make assumptions about our clients based on our preferences and experience. Believe it or not, you are just one person and your potential investors are thousands or millions of people who are probably very different from you. That's why when you are picking the colors for your website, it is important to make research about the characteristics of your potential buyers. You should start with the answers to these simple questions. What is the average age of my ideal investors? What's the gender of my ideal investor? Where does it live, and are there any cultural specifics? Here are some stats that may help you when deciding about the colors. Here is a study made by a designer from Microsoft. The second important thing that should affect your decision about picking the right colors is your crypto brand. You should be able to answer questions like, what do we stand for? Are we going to be a crypto brand only for men, women, or both? What are our main values? And when you blend your findings about your ideal investors with your answers about your brand, then you can make a selection of colors that has a higher chance to help you to achieve your goals and not work against you. Let's take a look at the effect and perception of the different colors and how you can use them. Blue, the favorite color of both men and women. I am sure that you have seen this color almost everywhere. One of the reasons is that both genders like it, but there is a lot more to it. The blue color is often connected with trust, responsibility, competence, security, loyalty. Keep in mind that in some countries blue has negative associations, like mourning for example. But you can use this color to make visitors feel safe. That's why a lot of banks, payment processors, and security companies use it. Honestly, you can't go wrong much with this color, except if you are a blockchain solution somehow connected to the food industry. In that case, it is not recommended to use it, because blue is not very much associated with food. Red, the color of attraction. There are some studies that show that this color can affect your heart rate and even your breathing. This color is very much associated with love, urgency, passion, energy. This is a great color for attracting attention to something. But it is perfect also for discounts, promotional messages, highlighting time-sensitive deals, and call to action buttons. Keep in mind that using red is like using salt. You have to be careful if you don't want to make people to leave immediately. Orange, the color of success. This color has a very positive effect on people's minds. The reason being is that it is associated with happiness, warmth, excitement, ambition. The orange color is a great color for elements that need the attention of your visitors, for example, call to action buttons. White, the freedom color. Maybe you have heard the design term, white space. This is the space between the different elements of the website. Actually, this doesn't mean that all sites need white, but because this color is associated with freedom, you can find this term everywhere. The white color is related to freedom, purity, cleanliness, virtue. This color is very popular in website design because it makes websites look clean and ordered. It can help you to make your content stand out if it is combined with the right color, and make people feel that you are honest with them. Both of these things are really important for making conversions. Plus, white helps with the balance on the website and can make the flow of your elements very smooth. Black, the elegance color. Almost on all websites, you can find black, due to the many great associations with it. Keep in mind that this color is also connected to evil and death in many cultures. That's why it makes some people feel uncomfortable with it. Let's see its positive sides: elegance, luxury, wealth, power, authority. The black color combines really well with white. Some even say that it helps with making websites energy efficient, but that's another story. Using this color can help you attract visitors to something special and exclusive, like a VIP club for your token holders, for example. It can also help with contrast so you can make your crypto website look modern. Green, the color of money. This color is associated with nature and the environment, and money, right? As a whole, green is a very important color for all crypto brands that have eco-causes as part of their values. It is a great color for all blockchain solutions that are somehow solving problems related to health and outdoor activities too. Keep in mind that green is also the easiest to process color, and it is a great choice for a contrasting color. Yellow, the sun color. This color can help you to make your crypto website more welcoming and friendly. It is also associated with happiness, optimism, fun, youth. Yellow is a great color for contrast, but it is a not very readable color. Keep this in mind when you are designing your text boxes. And as a whole, be careful with it because it can be a little overwhelming for your visitors. As you can see, all colors have benefits and some of them have serious negatives. Spending time finding which ones resonate the most with your crypto brand and customers is a great investment. You may not see it from the beginning, but the ROI will be really high in the long term if you have picked the appropriate colors for your blockchain business. If you need any directions or feedback regarding the colors that you have picked for your crypto brand or website, book a free consultation call with me. If you liked our video, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss any upcoming videos.